Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming iCloud and Find My are active because locating requires that link. Open Settings, tap your name, then Find My. Make sure Find My iPhone and Share My Location are on. Once done, check Bluetooth and location services are enabled. Keep your iPhone within a few meters of the Airpods for initial detection. Now open the Find My app and select Devices. You'll see paired Airpods listed if connected. This step establishes the secure connection. You now focus on the actionable middle steps in the Find My app. Tap Devices and select your Airpods. If the app shows them nearby, use Play Sound to ring the Airpods. That helps when they are under cushions or in a bag. If they're away, tap Directions to open Maps and navigate to the last seen location. This uses the last reported GPS. Also review battery percentage and whether they show as in case or out, because status explains why they might not connect. You finish by acting on what Find My reports. If Airpods are offline, use Notify when found and return to the last seen location. Physical retrieval is often required. If they fail to reconnect, reset the Airpods by holding the Case Setup button for about 15 seconds, then repair them to your device. This clears pairing glitches. Make sure you're signed into the correct Apple ID. Signing out and back into iCloud or testing another device can resolve stubborn visibility problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.